Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar. Let's tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, scroll down a little bit to find this general option. Let me quickly turn on the assistive grid, and here we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options to choose from, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds. It is immediately marked here, which means that we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works. Of course, you can turn this option off. Just go to the settings again, tap on the timer and tap on off. And after getting back, you can see that the camera will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.